So hello and welcome to Field Mixologist. So today we're on part 2 of the Weber carb saga, and as you can see I've got them here in the ultrasonic cleaner, and I guess in this video what I'm going to detail is the cleaning process that I undertake for this carb, especially European carbs. So it's a process that takes, first of all, an initial clean. So the initial clean doesn't happen in the shop, it happens kind of inside the house. And the aim of the initial clean is to get the parts so that you can so you can grab them without getting your hands, your fingers dirty. So it's just with a bit of washing up liquid, or maybe I use this thing called soap-filled pads. Just get the supermarket quality ones. You don't need any branded name ones. They're cheaper and they're good enough. They work just as well. But now, especially with this kind of European carbs, Weber the Lortos, that kind of stuff, they do need ultrasonic cleaning after that. So now we are into phase 1. I've done it few days ago. Phase 2, which is this ultrasonic cleaning, and basically what I do, obviously you can see this has been here marinating all day. They've been on the ultrasonic for about longer than 2 hours, obviously in 25-minute cycles, and I put all the jets and calibrated parts here. This is straight off petrol, unleaded, and I use them like this, so I can put all the parts in there. So now after this, so what I do is I basically go over it with a brush, and I try to take out as much of the crud that I can. I think this one in particular might need a bit of go on the soap-filled pad because it's a bit dirty. And once I finish this, what I do is I run this part, I dry these parts out with an airline, and I'm going to show you that in a minute. Why? And I leave them for about 24 hours standing to dry completely, because the next phase of cleaning is going to be the blasting cabinet, and for that to happen the parts need to be absolutely bone dry, and because they have so many passages and nooks and crannies, it's very difficult to get them properly dry. So you need to clean them with an airline and then leave them to dry just naturally, I guess. So that is the full-on cleaning process. Now I need to give it a little bit of a clean with the soap-filled pad and a bit of this, and then I'll show you what it looks like at the end when I'm just drying all the things out, and that should get them pretty much there in terms of cleanliness. And then it's up to the blasting cabinet in a few days' time. So now, as I said before, what I need to do now is just go through all the passages and just blow air, so make sure that I force the water away from all of them, and this will get it ready in about 24 hours to go into the blasting cabinet. So